Hey everyone, it's Kira here, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a 3D tower in the 3D scene. So first what you're going to do is add an image layer. You're going to click it, keyframe, and convert to a 3D object, preferably a cube. So what you're going to do now is duplicate it, and you can change the image if you'd like, but for now I'm just going to leave them both the same. What you're going to do is click transform, go to position Y, and you're going to scale it down to around 600. Now you're going to go to the other cube, go to position Y and scale it to 200. Now 3D towers usually have a little part in the middle. So to get that, I'm going to go to shape, add a square, and then leave it white because I want it to be white. Go to keyframe, convert to 3D object, and extrude it. Now to make it horizontal is you go to rotation X, and you put it to -90. Now, for now, I'm just going to change the side just so it's more easy for you guys to see. Now, I'm going to scale it and put the position Y down. Now, since the extrude is quite big, I'm going to shrink it and make it larger in size. So this is the 3D tower so far. If you look at the custom view, you can see that it looks perfect. So you can also add this part in the middle on the top and the bottom. So you just duplicate it and move that up and down. So to rotate this, I'm going to add a parent layer and parent all three of these. And now what you can do is you can actually rotate it all together. So I'm going to add a keyframe at the start and at the end. Now add a middle graph and there's a smooth transition. So to add the part where it slides down is you can add a camera layer and just extend it the whole clip. Add a keyframe at the start and a keyframe at the end. The keyframe at the start will start zoomed in at the first part of the cube, and then the second one will zoom in again to the second half. And then again add another mid-graph. Now if you'd like, you can add lighting to make it more look 3D and realistic, but for now I'm just going to leave it and let you guys play around with that in your own time. So that's how you make a 3D tower in a 3D scene, and this is the final result. Hope you guys enjoy and can't wait to see all your 3D towers.